I bet you haven't tried this method of enjoying bitter leaves before. Yeah, it looks like a smoothie. Listen, this is not your regular smoothie. I hope you watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you everything that I'm talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about bitter leaves. Bitter leaves. Bitter leaves. Bitter leaves. Okay, bitter leaf. Okay, so bitter leaf is an indigenous plant in Africa that now has been widespread. Like, I love harvesting it like this, okay? And you can see it now in capsules at Walmart. Can you imagine that? People are making money off bitter leaf capsules. But listen, there's nothing like the fresh bitter leaves that you grow at your backyard, okay? This is the best. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I enjoy my bitter leaves. Bitter leaf is very good for diabetic patients. It helps with lowering blood sugar. Now, some people eat it like soup and all of that, but today I'm going to be combining it with some collard greens. And baby, it's going to be good, you know. In America, when we say it's good, they're talking about, oh, it has extra sugar, you know. But no, that's not what I'm talking about. I mean, like, it's good, it's very healthy. So for today, I'm just going to use 2 of these collard green leaves. For me, 2 leaves are okay because I'm just going to make 1 cup of it, and I'm drinking it like, let's say 3 times every week, which is very good for me. But if you can drink it every day, I think it's good too. But also I'm going to use 2 leaves from my bitter leaf stems. Just 2 leaves, 2 collard green leaves, 2 bitter leaves. Bitter leaf has this strong flavor, strong taste that some people cannot stand. So for me, what I do is add some organic cocoa powder to my bitter leaf to eliminate that smell. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my vegetables. For me, I'm going to wash it up for like 2 times, but you can do it 3 times depending on how dirty the vegetable is. But we had some rain like a few days ago, so the vegetables are not very dirty like that. So you're going to do it like this and then change the water and then do it again. So for me, I did it just twice. So I'm putting it into my blender and I have my moringa powder here. Hey, I'm gonna add this into my blender too. So it's gonna be a full nutrient green goodness. So I'm gonna add some water, and my water is about 8 ounces, okay? Then guess what's gonna happen? Put some ice in there because you don't want it to be too boring, okay? Add some ice, close your blender. Guess what the next step is gonna be? Blend it, baby. Yeah, blend it real good. So it doesn't take time, just for a few seconds, then it's done. See? It didn't take time. This is your green goodness, and preferably in the morning. Morning is the best time to take it. So what I'm gonna do is to pour it into my glass. Are you smelling what I'm smelling? I am smelling cocoa powder. Instead of the bitter leaf itself, I'm smelling cocoa powder. What's the next step? Enjoy it. It's bitter, but it's good. Ooh, see my mouth? It's anti-diabetic. So guys, this is how I enjoy my bitter leaf sometimes in the morning, okay? I drink it like juice or smoothie, which is very healthy. So let me know in the comment section how you do enjoy your bitter leaves. Do you cook it like soup? How do you eat it? Let me know what do you do with yours in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, or if you did, please give me a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below. I'm gonna see you in my next video. But if you need some bitter leaf stems for planting, You can reach out to me through my email. I'm going to leave it in the description box below so I can send you some stems to plant. Okay,